Students, now we are going to a new topic in Math 2, that is coordinate geometry. Here we have another name for a coordinate geometry is also, that is Cartesian geometry. So I am writing it's that Cartesian geometry, and this Cartesian name has come from the mathematician, that is Rene Descartes. He has invented this coordinate geometry where he had made the connection between the algebra and geometry. We too have learnt last year the algebraic equation on graphs. We have done this one. Okay dear, and this is very useful topic because it is maximum used in aviation, rocketry, space science, space lifts, etc. And it is said to be a branch of geometry where the position of a points on plane, which plane, that's a Cartesian plane or wherever, it's defined using a coordinates. The coordinates means what? X coordinate and a Y coordinate here. Okay dear, so let's move to the topic here. Now what do you see here? What do we say this one? This is a number line where we can see a 0, and these all are the positive numbers and these all are the negative numbers. Okay, if for example I am naming this point as a here, right? A, and this point as a B. Now can you say, what do we say this? The point A. The coordinate for the point A is what? -3. And the coordinate for the point B is 4, we say, right? If for example, if I want to find the distance between A and B, how we usually find it? We have learnt in the last year. Yes, we can say what is a coordinate? That is a -3, and a B coordinate is what given? It is 4. And here, which is the bigger one? 4 is bigger than the -3 here. So we say the larger coordinate, you remember larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So then we subtract 4 minus of -3, that is 4 plus 3. It is, we have learned it as a 7. Is it or not? Yes. Now even we can see by moving like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? But every time to do this is a little bit tedious for us. Okay, so what we have done, we have used a formula that is larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. When it is given like this, it is very easy to find it out. But if the points here, the locations over here, if suppose the point is somewhere here the point is, okay, then how will you find out the distance? Okay, so see, as I said, the point A is -3. Where the point A is located, you said -3. Where the point B is located, you said 4. And if I want to find the distance, then you said, larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is 7 also we got. In case, if I want to know this point X, or I'll name it other one, D, where it is located, how can I find this point here? Where it is located? So for this, we need to have one more line here. That is a vertical line which passes through this 0 here. Okay. So now I made one more vertical line. Can you all see here? Yes. So this is a vertical line here and this is a horizontal line. So when some other place point is located, to find the location, we need to have a 2 axis here. That is both the axis, we say x axis and y axis together, it is an axis. Now what do we say this one as a x axis? And this is what? X dash. Why we are saying x dash? Because here we all have a negative symbols here. Similarly here we all have a positive. So we say this point as a what, my dear? This point as a y. Okay, and this one as we have a negative, so we have a y dash. Please, you always have to put it in a capital letter, x and a y capital letter. Now I have put it here, right? And this point where the x-axis and the y-axis meet, this point is actually a O here, and that is the origin. What do we say? Origin, we say. Where x-axis and a y-axis meet here. Now you can see, my dear, What is this one? This is a B point, right? Yes. For example, I want to know where is that D located. So how should I find it? The D location, you will say, if you want to compare from the y-axis, we say how many steps from the y-axis here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 from the where actually? 4 steps away from the y-axis, and from here 1, 2, 3, 3 steps away from the x-axis we say. Is it or not? Now see, now here you look at the x-axis, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we will write it. What is this point? We always have to start with the x coordinate. What is the x coordinate? That is a 4. And where is this one? See, we can join it, and I'll show you, join it and show you here. See, so 4 and 3 here. Okay, so what is this? This is said to be x coordinate and this is said to be a y coordinate. I cannot write the 3 first because it is always, rule says always starts with the coordinate of x. This is a x1. So x coordinate we have a 4 and y coordinate as a 3. So did we find the location of a D? So this is the coordinate geometry where we are finding the location of any point on a plane. Plane means this is a Cartesian plane. A graph paper का जो है, that we say is a Cartesian plane. Because of that person name it has come here. Okay dear. So this is the way we use it. What do we say this one, as we have used x-axis and a y-axis, this plane has been divided into 4 equal parts or not? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts here. 4 parts. So this is said to be a what quadrant? This is said to be a first quadrant where we always have a plus plus. What does this plus plus says? That means x also plus, y is also plus. And the second quadrant where we always have to start from the x1, x is what? Negative, and the y is in positive. So minus plus. Now it's a third quadrant where we have a what? X is minus and y is also minus. Okay. Then we have a fourth quadrant where what do we have here? This is a x, always see the x1, x is in positive, so positive, and y is in negative. So we have a 4 quadrant of divided like this, plus plus, and this opposite is minus minus, then minus minus. Why the minus has come first? Because of the x coordinate here, minus and plus, plus minus. And this coordinate, we have another name for the x coordinate, we say na, we say x coordinate. We have the another name also, abscissa. And y coordinate we say as a y coordinate, we say as a ordinate. We can say abscissa or x coordinate or a and y coordinate or a ordinate. This is for the knowledge. I am sharing this one here. So you understood how this plane is been divided and how it is made with a plus negative signs and all this thing.